my channel, and if you are new here, I am Dr. Priyanka Ghosh and I am a second year obstetrics and gynecology postgraduate resident, and today I will be talking about some of the period problems that most of the women face. So as a gynecologist, the most frequently asked question that I face from my patients and even from my friends and family and my close relatives is that how to prevent rashes during the periods, and how often should we change our pads, how often should we change our tampons, and how to deal with accidental leaks. So there is this new thing that I have tried myself and I have also recommended it to others, that is period panties. Mahina has launched these super comfortable period panties. These are leak proof, highly absorbent and very comfortable ones. I love that these come in these biodegradable packaging. These come in so many sizes. They have extra small to triple XL sizes, which are really wide variety, and you will definitely find your sizes. The material is really soft and comfortable. They have this 3-layered absorbent area which extends up to the very back of it, and therefore it will prevent the accidental leaks even during the night. Also, they are super stretchable and very comfortable. As you all know from my previous videos, and every other gynecologist will recommend to change your pads every 2 to 4 hours, and if you use tampons, they should be changed every 2 hours minimum, because there is a high risk of getting infections from them, and also they are not good for the environment. So switching to these period underwears will not only be good for the environment but also save you from irritation, rashes and also accidental leaks. Also, if you're a working woman like me, or if you're still in school, then you will relate to me that frequently changing pads while at work is really cumbersome and bothersome. So using a period panty will save you from all those. And they have different underwears for every kind of flow, from light flow, medium flow, heavy flow and even super heavy flow. Also, these fit really well and are very stretchable. These underwears will prevent leaks for up to 12 hours, and their super heavy flow pad will soak up to 50 ml of blood. For me, these have really helped, especially during the night times where the chances of accidental leaks are more, and I am a back sleeper and I'm really afraid of accidental leaks during my periods. So I really love that the absorbent part of these pants extend up to the very back and prevent leaks from there. Also, these are free of chemicals and very safe. Also, the soggy wet feeling that we get from pads is much lesser with period panties. Also, these are very easy to clean. After every use, just wash them with cold water and follow it up with a mild detergent to hand wash these, and they are good to go. And you can use them up to 100 washes. So I love that these are very much seamless and the lining is not visible even when you wear tight trousers. So I'm really grateful to Mahina for sending me these underwears, and I have tried them and I really like them too. I hope you guys try it too, and it's high time we think about our environment also and switch from single-use plastic products to these environment-friendly period underwears. Also, these are really affordable too, and they have great offers on their website, so do check their official website. I will link them in the description below. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and I really hope you try these out. And if you like the video, please give a thumbs up to this video, and if you have any doubts, any queries, please put them in the comments and I will definitely answer them all. Share this video with your friends and family members so they can benefit too, and yeah, subscribe to my channel for more such content. I will see you next time. Bye.